Thinking about buying an air fryer? You're already on the right track. But before you click add to cart, here are 3 things you need to consider to get the best one for you. Number 1, size and capacity. Do you cook for just yourself or a whole family? Air fryers range from 2-quart models, perfect for 1 or 2 people, to 8-quart giants, great for families or meal prepping. Pick the right size or you'll either be cooking in batches or wasting counter space. Number 2, features and functions. Some air fryers just fry, but others bake, roast, dehydrate, and even reheat. If you love versatility, look for multiple cooking modes, a digital display, and presets for easy cooking. Number 3, ease of cleaning. Nobody wants to spend extra time scrubbing. Check if the basket is dishwasher safe and whether it has a non-stick coating to make cleanup effortless. So remember, size, features, and cleaning. Pick the right air fryer and you'll be cooking crispy, healthy meals in no time. And you can check the link in the description for my favorite overall air fryer.